Police, Abia State Police Command, CP Danladi is with his men. You're all welcome. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the Abia State government, under the able leadership of His Excellency Dr. Alex Otti, who is indeed unrelenting in his drive in ensuring that the security apparatus of the state is well equipped for the security of not just Abians, but non-Abians residing in Abia State. Very recently, we had the good news, and that good news is one which I deem necessary at this point to invite the very hardworking Commissioner of Police, Abia State Police Command, who will be given a brief before His Excellency addresses us. CP Danladi Issa, please can we appreciate him as he walks up? Thank you.
Your Excellency, good evening, sir. We are here to showcase one of the major achievements we have had in a couple of days ago over a kidnapping incident. This achievement is a product of your unwavering support to the police in Abia State. It is, let me put it, the dividends of your continuous support to security agencies, of which police is one. On the 9th of this month, 4 men were kidnapped at Umahia New Road at Obingwa area. They were double-crossed by an unknown gunman, kidnapped and taken to an unknown destination. The tactical teams swung into action with the use of the technology we have, which is also what you have assisted us with. And in so doing, we have been on their trail, and by the grace of God, we were able to track them to Asokwa in Osisiama area of Isalangwa side. And we had to organize and counter them yesterday. And when we got to where the kidnappers kept them, we cordoned the area. And then in the bid to make our way into the premises, my tactical teams were seriously under a very heavy gunfire. In the exchange of fire that ensued, 6 of the kidnappers were neutralized. Some escaped with bullet injuries. 2 AK-47 were recovered. 6 magazines were also recovered. 32 rounds of ammunition were also recovered. We have made series of achievements in recent times, but for this one, we deem it necessary for His Excellency to at least know that your officers are not resting on their oars. We are out to keep Abia safe, and we need the cooperation of all Abians in the area of information and other ways they can, support us. Today, Your Excellency, sir, permit me to bring up the tactical teams that actually took part in this tactical operation. The teams, come up. Just come up and line up here for recognition. Yes. Your Excellency, sir, before me are members of the tactical teams that encountered the kidnappers. Your Excellency, sir.
Thank you, CP, the Chief of Staff, Honorable Commissioners, officers of the Nigerian Police Force, SA and security, distinguished ladies and gentlemen of the press. I would want to start by thanking the CP for a great job he's been doing in Abia State. For us in Abia, security is critical. I had said it time and time again that we will not yield any inch to criminals in Abia. And I'm happy that we have kept to that. Once in a while, sporadic attacks happen like this one. But when we get to know about it, we pursue the criminals until we apprehend them. So I want to, on behalf of the Abia State government, thank the tactical team for the great job that you have been doing. Some of you are in direct contact with me. And when this happened, I alerted both the CP and those ones that were in direct contact with me, and you immediately went into action. And today we can see the result of that action. I want to thank you, and on behalf of the Abia State government and Abia people, we want to say thank you very much. I've already whispered to the CP that some financial rewards await you. So I will not announce it so that you will not also be objects of kidnappers. So the CP would do the needful and you will hear from us. So once again, I would like to say congratulations, keep up the good job, and Abia State will continue to be safe for everyone. Thank you very much.
Your Excellency, sir, the rescued victims are also here. You may wish to just, please, you people can go back to your tactical teams. They are here. Turn their face the other side. So that the camera will not come out. Yes. Okay. Not that camera. Not that camera. Yes.
Thank you, CP. We appreciate. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point, it's important that we prepare to listen to the man who has continued to do everything possible for the security of lives and property in Abia State. Our dear Governor, His Excellency Dr. Alex Otti, please speak to your people.
Thank you very much. The CP, together with your team, the honorable commissioners that are here, special advisors, senior special assistants, heads of parastatals and government agencies that are here with us, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen of the press. Let me start by thanking all of you for coming out at short notice this evening. I want to also specially thank the Commissioner of Police, CP Danladi Isa, and the men that work with him. I want to also thank other government functionaries that provided support for this successful operation. There have been a lot of operations left, right, and center, but the way this happened, and it gave us a lot of worry, and I want to congratulate the CP and his team for doing the needful and getting our citizens who were kidnapped a few days ago back in one piece. We want to thank God that none of them was wounded, because in the exchange of fire, anything could have burned. In such an extent that led to the neutralization of 6 of the kidnappers. But we thank God that they were all rescued, alive and healthy. I've already with the CP that we will continue to do everything possible to keep the state safe. I thank God that they are also very willing and able to use technology, which has helped in enforcing law and order here, and we will continue to upgrade the technology. I'm sure in no distant future we'll have a command and control center here in the state capital. We're already far gone in discussions. So the CP, let me thank you once again. I had instructed earlier today that the house, a bungalow in Osokwa in Osisioma, Ngwa local government area, where the kidnappers operated from and kept the kidnapped victims, should be brought down completely. And we would locate the owner of that house if he has not been located, and he will be prosecuted. Anywhere that people yield their houses to criminals, that means those people, those landlords are also criminals themselves. And we are going to be very intolerant to those going forward. I would also like the Honorable Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs to interface with the traditional ruler of that place, because it shows something is wrong if people are brought in, 4 able-bodied men are brought into a place and kept for several days. Somebody must know and somebody must respond to it. So once again, I would like to thank the police for doing a fantastic job here in Abia, and I'd like to assure them that they will continue to get 100% support from this government. I want to thank God for the life of the victims and congratulate them for making it alive, because a few cases, including the one that happened in Okwa East last week, 2 people were killed, and one of our brothers is still being held in a place we do not know. So when you make it alive, it's something to thank God. So once again, I want to thank all of you and reassure you that Abia State will continue to be safe for residents and everyone who wants to do one thing or the other in this state. Thank you very much.
His Excellency, our dear Governor, remember, security is everyone's business. If you see something, please say something. His Excellency will proceed to see the kidnap rescue victims and after now, the national anthem. No question. Cameramen, you're not needed at this point, please.